Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, as most of you are not subscribed. And don't forget to click the bell notification so you know anytime I go live. All right, with all that out of the way, what YouTube forces me to say, let's get on with today's video, which is a Raspberry Chocolate Chip Muffin. All right, in the bowl, you can see that I have 1/3 of a cup of butter, 1/3 of a cup of veggie oil, a cup of sugar. And I'm just going to take a moment and cream the oil, the sugar, and the butter all together. Then we want to add 2 large eggs, one at a time, and make sure you beat well in between adding each egg. Then we want to add our dry ingredients, which consists of 2 1/4 cup of AP flour, 2 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And you want to add this in batches, about 1/3 of the dry mix at a time, and just go till everything is mixed together and nice. And now that we have our wet and dry ingredients put together, time to add a few more things. Now I'm adding 1 cup of sour cream. And now we want to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Sorry, it's kind of blocked by the dough here. And once again, mix everything together well. This would be a good time to actually start preheating your oven to 350 degrees. And then you want to add 1 cup of mini chocolate chips. And then you want to add 2 cups of raspberries that I roughly chopped up. I used the frozen kind, and I kept them in the freezer until I was basically ready to use them. They worked really, really well. I actually think they worked better than fresh raspberries, especially in the winter. And then just a few turnarounds just to get everything mixed. And your batter should be looking a little bit something like this. All right, let's get the muffin tins ready. And after you blasted your muffin tin with cooking spray, or you could oil them, whatever. You want to roughly fill each one of the tins and then pop them into that 350 degree oven for 30 minutes. All right, 30 minutes later, after you've given them a chance to rest and cool down, you should be looking at something a little bit like this. These were absolutely delicious. So that's Raspberry Chocolate Chip Muffins. Done.